So we're going to see if the pink stuff can actually revive this area. It's wood and it's got paint on it and it's got PVC. So I'm going to see if the pink stuff can kind of bring it back to life and make it less dull looking. It's just a scourer for dishes and stuff and just a bit of the pink stuff, and we're just going to work it around all the surfaces. You don't need a lot because it tends to form up a bit when it's with water and stuff. So perfect combination of not too many products and a little bit of effort goes a long way. So I've just spread it basically, and I'm now just wiping off the product, and it actually does look a lot better, don't you agree? The pink stuff also works on taps, so to make your taps look a little bit more shiny, just a little bit as well goes a long way. And it's actually really quite good at removing a little bit of lime scale buildup. So I just use a little bit, like for example on this tap, it wasn't as bad. I'm just trying to make it look a little bit better. Like I said, I'm just trying to see if the pink stuff can make things look a bit better, make it shiny, and kind of bring everything back to life again. And as you can see, it's looking a lot better already. Like I said, you can also focus on hard areas like, you know, the lime scale buildup and the edges of the tap right there. Just use a toothbrush and voila. So I'm going to try it on the sink. If you're not new to my channel, you know I use the Pink Stuff cream cleaner also on the sink, and it works magical. I absolutely love the Pink Stuff cream cleaner and the paste, but the paste for me is like the one for me. So yeah. If you're enjoying this video, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you are enjoying all the content, and if you're enjoying all the tips and the hacks that I share on the channel, please consider subscribing and share with all your friends if you are enjoying the content and if you think that they will enjoy it too. So I'm just drying off the sink, and you can already tell that it's already shiny. It looks a lot better than it did at the start. So it does remove like build up lime scale, and it works really well. I absolutely love it for the sink as well. My absolute go-to product for the sink. I don't think of anything else but the pink stuff. Look at that. It also works on wood. So if you've got paint or like, you know, like on the edges of the door where there's a lot of traffic like in the kitchen and people touch quite a lot, the pink stuff also works on that. So just scrub a little bit, not too much, because then you might remove the paint unintentionally, but it works really well. So all the grubby fingers and marks and everything that are there, they will be gone if you continue using the pink stuff. So somebody thought it would be a good idea to paint on their brother's Xbox pad, and yeah, it's not really good, is it? So I'm gonna wipe using water. I've actually taken out the batteries, so safety first, take off the batteries, and I'm just gonna wipe off and see how much can come off. The kids are bored. Summer holidays, I wish school's gonna come back soon. So let's try the pink stuff and see how well that's gonna work. And just a little bit, to be honest, because it's not like that much. I'm just gonna test it out first, and just a little bit, like I said, on the finger, and just rub it around the edges on all the areas really that are affected. Please let me know in the comment section below where you guys use the pink stuff. Let me know if I'm forgetting anywhere and to try the pink stuff on. Look forward to part 3 and more tips and more hacks on where you can use the pink stuff. I think some of it is nail polish as well, so I'm not 1,000% sure, but yeah. So that's all I can do. I can't really dig anymore to remove as much paint. I think, like I said, it's nail polish, but I can't take that off. I'll be damaging the pad, but it looks a lot better than it did at the start, so I'm quite happy with that. I'm sure they will be happy too. That's it for today, guys. I will see you on the next one. Bye.